pretty earthlings, welcome back to my channel. Myself Nirali and I'm here with today's topic Art and Crafts of Chhattisgarh. So let's move on. The striking varieties of handicrafts in Chhattisgarh are all the rage for its elaborate work. A stopover to Chhattisgarh is unfinished without taking Chhattisgarh handicrafts memento. Chhattisgarh's handicrafts are indispensable part of the lives of people and are also associated with the accessibility of wealth in the state and the way of life of the people. Chhattisgarh's people use the reserves of natural resources to the most advantageous potential. The crafts of Chhattisgarh justly represents the legerdemain of its artisans. So friends, here are some of the art and crafts of the state Chhattisgarh. Let me move on. First is cotton fabric. Next is bamboo art. Then comes dhokra, godna, wrought iron, ornaments, terracotta, tumba, wall painting and wood carving. But you know what? I'm very much of interested in ornaments. So here we go. So here comes ornaments for the hands. First is Nagmori, one of the popular ornaments of Chhattisgarh, which is made of silver and is worn on the arms of both hands. Its texture is circular, due to which it is called Nagmori. Next comes Kakani. It is worn with bangle in hands. It looks good. It is a bangle type ornament for the wrist. Almost all rural and tribal women wear Kakani. It is made of silver and gilt. The maximum weight is 150 gram. Next comes is Enthi. It is worn on the wrist of the hand and is worn like a simple bracelet or a heart-edged bracelet. Then Pata. It is worn in between the bangles. It is considered a symbol of simplicity. Here comes Churi. Churi is another bangle ornament worn by women. It is made of silver. Churis are available in many designs such as Lahariya, Hirakat, Belahuri, Bhatia and Bathar. Then comes Mundari. This is a finger-worn ornament. Bahuta Churi is also a hand-worn jewel. Next comes ornaments for the West. First is Kardan. It is a very beautiful jewel worn at the West as the money is kept in the West. Perhaps this is why it is called taxation. It is prepared by adding silver rings. The weight of taxation is considered as symbol of splendor. The size varies from 25 to 38 inches according to the size of the West. The weight varies from 200 gram to 2000 gram depending upon the material and design desired by the client. Next comes ornaments for the neck. First is Rupiya Mala, one of the famous ornaments of Chhattisgarh in which the rupees are tied in a thread. Isn't it amazing, guys? Yes. It is worn around the neck. Sutya. These are traditional neck ornaments used by tribal women. It is made of silver or gilt and is similar to Rupiya Mala. Next comes Suta or Husli. Suta is worn in the throat. It is made of silver. It can be worn by both men and women. Husli has a pipe structure. Next comes Puttari. Puttari means doll. This means that after wearing it, women start looking like dolls. How great! It is made of gold and is made by threading the coin into a thread. It is worn around the neck and is similar to Rupiya Mala. Next comes ornaments for the legs. First is Bichya. It is worn on the fingers of the feet. Only married women wear it. Almost every woman wears it after getting married. Then come Pari. It is made of silver, gilt and cassette pechab. Open in the middle, it is a large form of anklet. It has small metal particles that make a sweet sound while walking. Dun dun. Oh, somewhat like that only. Next comes sati. It is worn on the feet. Sati is another type of anklet worn by married women. It is fastened with a screw. Sati is made of silver or gilt and varies in weight from 50 grams to 500 grams. Then comes ornaments for the ears. First is khimva. It is worn in the ear. The chumka is usually made of gold and silver. It hangs with a thin rod in which the bottom part is weighty. Last, ornaments for the nose. First is fulli. This is the most popular nose ornament amongst the women ornaments of Chhattisgarh, especially in Bastar. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.